Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 1st of May. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Beauty out there, 60 to 65 this afternoon, lots of sunshine. This month, or last month, I should say, minus 2.16 inches. We only had 0.16 inches of rainfall yesterday. That was 1.47 for the month, 11th driest on record. Remember, records go back to 1872, so if you have the 11th driest April on record, that is a dry April. We do need rain, folks. It just really hurts getting the leaves and all that stuff out in the gardens. You know, it's not like we're going to run out of water, but we do need some rain. So, as we head for tonight, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, temperatures down into the 40s tomorrow, and Sunday, we'll watch a storm system off the coastline. Depending on how close it comes, will determine on just how much, if any, rainfall we receive. It doesn't look like it's going to be a big rainstorm, although for the Cape and the Islands, it may be a steady rain here Saturday night into Sunday. It's just going to depend on how close that storm comes. We clear out on Monday, temperatures on Monday in the 60s, 70s by Tuesday. So I'm hoping for some rain because it looks dry for several days thereafter. This is the time of year where you really do want to continue to clean up the gardens, prune back things, and get ready to plant. We're going to be putting tomatoes in pretty soon. And, summertime stuff, it's on the way. Have a great day, everybody.